And go. Alright guys, this is round 3 of the Thanksgiving vacuum test. This is the Dyson round. First off we're going to do my first Dyson, the DC-24, which I've had for 10 years. It'll be almost 10 years. I got it for Christmas in 2013, and it still works good. I mean, the suction's not as good. It just needs a new filter because I've had it for 10 years and it was bought used. So then next up is the DC-24's big brother, DC-25. I've had for 3 years since June 2020. Next up we have the Dyson Ball Animal UP13. This is a UP13, yeah. Which I will demonstrate. Yeah, well, I'll have to switch plugs from the DC-25 or 24 to test this thing. And we have my DC-18 from 2007, which I've had since September of 2021, just about as long as I've had the self-propelled wind tunnel. And last but not least is my DC-14 Animal, which I've had since July of 2018. I've had it for 5 years. It does great. Had to replace filters last year. It's never worked better than ever before. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Dyson DC-20. Start with the DC-24. So here we go. Oh yeah, so it's getting it. Okay, I gotta say, that does pretty well. But it did leave a little streak right here. And overall, it did good. So now we're gonna go ahead with the DC-25. We're recording? Yep, so here we go. Sorry I had to do 2 passes. It was there was just some dust being kicked around, so alright, it did pretty well. Does it it does spin around. Cyclonic action. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and switch out the plug for the DC-25 for the Ball Animal. Just gonna pull both of them. So here we go. Well, not because of the I had to do 2 passes, it was because of the sole plate, the brush cover right here, whatever it is. So now we're gonna go ahead with the DC-18 Slim. So here we go. Okay, the DC-18 did okay. Just a little bit right there. Because of the, what do you call that? Sole plate. Has the same thing as the DC-25. So now we're going to, last but not least is my DC-14 Animal. So we're going to go ahead with the DC-14. Here we go. Alright, the DC-14 did okay. Didn't do as well as I expected because of the sole plate. It's the sole plate is the problem. Alright, I think the Ball Animal did a really great job because it has radial root cyclone technology, and all these have DC-14, DC-18, DC-25, DC-24. They all have root cyclone technology. This one has radial root cyclone technology. It means it's more powerful. Like, watch this. DC 25. Wait. DC 14. Alright, well the DC 14 is powerful as well as the DC 25 because I just installed 2 new filters, both new filters 2 years ago. So anyways, that does it for this test. I hope you liked it. In which rounds, if any of the Eurekas you thought that Eurekas or Hoover wind tunnels, Dyson's did the best. Like, which of the Hoovers, the Eurekas, the Dysons did best? Please leave a comment. Alright, that does it for this round, and happy Thanksgiving.